for my biggest live stream ever. Cats versus Avengers.
Stop calling him Mr. Whiskers.
Oh, say that again for my channel.
Your chat? What are you talking?
Well, the Avengers. Attack!
Hey guys, I'm at the Avengers' latest battle. Oh my gosh! So, Hawkeye, when are you gonna come on my all kitty cat live stream?
Not really a cat person.
Well, let's get to the plot twist! For my biggest live stream ever. Cats versus Avengers.
Mr. Whiskers?
I want all the likes.
How do we stop them?
At your service.
And it's a cat.
I think I know some folks who can help.
The Cat Vengers.
No. See, that is a brand franchise violation, and we got a whole team of folks on the third floor of Avengers Tower that will not let you use that name.
Didn't realize you were such a cat guy.
We got one shot. Gotta make it count.
You don't get content like this on basic cable.
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.